Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. Here I am with another plant unboxing video. Before I start the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and follow us on the Instagram page for the new updated videos. So here are some succulents which I've ordered from this online website which is called as 90 Leaf. So I'll be posting out the link in the description, so anyone if you are interested you can also check out the website. So the succulents which I've ordered, very few, but these are in nice condition, I hope. So I just want to share the unboxing video with all you people. And I have arranged these succulents in a small succulent arrangement. So these are the 4 plants which I've ordered from the website. So this is one echeveria which I received. So the echeveria seems to look in nice condition. So let's see what is this here. This is a old video which I am posting, so I forgot to post then. So this is an echeveria and this is a Hawatia zebra plant also. So just in case if I am wrong, please correct me in the comment box. So this is another new pup coming out of this plant. So this is a hardy one and another variety of the same plant, zebra. And these are some echeveria's leaves which I got it, so we can even propagate from those leaves as well. So I received this. So this is how I arranged my plants. So I have some cactus before, so I've even arranged all these into one plant and this succulent arrangement. So hope you all like the video, this small video, and if you like and would like to see the succulent arrangement, please do let me know in this comment section so that I will create it. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.